Barclays Rewards Credit Card app. The pros, the cons. Barclays Rewards Credit Card app is a simple way to earn points on everyday spending, but most people get this wrong. It's more flexible than it looks. On the plus side, you earn points on almost every purchase, which can be redeemed for cashback, shopping or travel. The app allows easy tracking of points, transactions, and payments, plus alerts for security and budgeting. Contactless payments and worldwide acceptance make it practical for daily use. However, rewards rates are moderate, so it's best suited for consistent spending rather than occasional splurges. The card also has an annual fee for some versions, and points value can vary depending on redemption choices. In short, the Barclays Rewards Credit Card app is ideal for users who spend regularly and want straightforward points management. With a solid app and flexible redemption, it turns everyday purchases into meaningful rewards.